there, beautiful people out there. It's me again. I know it has been a long time since I've posted on this channel, but you guys, guess what? I have my baby. Yes. So if you are not following me on my vlog channel, then you have been missing out, girl or dude. You've been missing out. Okay, I posted the birth vlog, our labor and delivery story, and meeting our baby boy, and other videos that I've been capturing here and there behind the scenes of our everyday life since we've had him. So what are you waiting for? Stop what you're doing, go subscribe, come right back, and you'll be all good. All right, welcome back. So yes, you guys, I had my baby 2 weeks ago. Oh my gosh, this will be a Let's Talk Tuesday for today, but I want to start doing motherhood videos on Mondays. So I'm trying to get back in routine of everything. So I want to do like motherhood lifestyle videos on Mondays, and then my hair care videos will be posted on Wednesdays. But this week is just all over the place. So next week I'm going to get into some type of routine. So bear with me, okay? All right. So I had my baby 2.5 weeks ago on March 29th. So he'll be 3 weeks on Thursday, y'all. Like, oh my God. I'll tell daddy to bring him upstairs towards the end so that way you guys can see him if you have not seen him already. So in this video today, I just want to give you guys a little update about me. So once I go to his 1 month appointment, I'll do monthly updates and all that. And I want to do some routine videos, you know, life with a newborn videos and everything. But in this video, it's all about me, okay? Once I go to my postpartum update, I'll give you guys more updates. But I just want to tell you guys how I've been doing since I've had my baby. So without any further ado, let's get it. I like moving my hands all over the place. Y'all notice that? That's weird. So like I said, I had my baby 2.5 weeks ago on March 29th. And if you guys aren't following my vlogging channel, then you guys will not know that I had another natural birth. And I knew that's what I wanted to do. Although the pain was a little on the intense side this time around. I mean, it was intense with Maddie. But this time, oh my gosh, like it was rough. It was like really rough. But I stuck it through. I had him naturally. And you know, he's here, he's healthy, and that's all that matters. And so I'm gonna link the labor and delivery story here so you guys can check it out. But I mean, it was a situation, but everything happened the way it was supposed to happen. We're all good, everybody's healthy, we're all safe, and that's all that matters. But yeah, so the pain was a little on the rough side this time, but I survived it. After that, I was fine. Like, I mean, I got up, used the bathroom and everything. I was able to walk around, and you know, I was fine. They monitored me a little bit because my blood pressure was high, but other than that, I mean, I didn't have to have like any, you know, I didn't have to have that much help after I was done delivering because, you know, I did everything naturally. So and that was the same thing that happened last time. Like, all I did was make sure, you know, they checked on me periodically to make sure that, you know, I was okay. They checked my blood, you know, they checked my bleeding because I was bleeding extra heavy this time, which I'll talk about later on. You know, as long as the baby comes out healthy, it doesn't matter how you deliver it, whether you have a cesarean or epidural or natural, it doesn't matter. As long as the baby comes out healthy and safe, that's all that matters. But personally, I knew I wanted a natural birth again, and I'm so thankful that I have the strength and the courage to do it again because Lord knows it is not easy. So whew, it's amazing what our bodies can do. Like, I mean, our bodies are amazing. That's why I just love being a woman. Like, our bodies are incredible. Not only do we grow babies and deliver babies, I mean, we create milk, and we're just amazing creatures. My healing this time around is a little bit longer than what it was with Maddie. After about a week and a couple of days, I was fine. I wasn't bleeding anymore and everything. But this time around, I am still bleeding. It's nice going a couple of months without wearing a maxi pad and everything. But now, since I've had my baby, I've had to wear my maxi pads, and luckily I had a pack in my cabinet from the time that I bought it, because when we found out I was pregnant, I had just got off my cycle. Y'all know how that goes. So yeah, so I still had a pack from then. You know, they give you pads and stuff like that from the hospital, but I had, you know, I prefer wear my own because it's comfortable. But 2 weeks later, I'm still wearing them because I'm still bleeding. My body is still trying to get back to normal. That's why, like, a lot of people, when they see me in public, you know, they think I'm still pregnant, or they think I am pregnant with the newborn baby in my cart or whatever, because my stomach is still big. If you guys want to see. I still have a little pudge. My body's still getting back to normal. My organs are getting back in place. My uterus is going down back in place and everything. So before I left the hospital, they had to check my stomach to make sure that my uterus was going back in place and everything. So the reason why my stomach does stick out like this is because, from what I was told, because I carried him in the front. My placenta was in the front and I also carried him in the front. I don't know how that works, but that's how it works. His back was mostly on the sides of my stomach. I don't know, it's confusing how they explain it, but pretty much like he grew to the front, which is why I stretched out forward, and when I like tighten up myself, like my stomach like folds in forward and everything. So it's pretty weird how they explain it to me, but it makes a lot of sense. Even though I carried Maddie high and probably in her weird position as well, I don't want to say I snapped back easily, but when I had her, I didn't have a big belly like I do now. But with baby boy, I mean, I still look like I'm pregnant, but you know what? It is what it is, and it's just a part of motherhood. You know, everybody don't snap back the next day like some of these celebrities and Instagram models. That's not my reality, so it is what it is. I gotta wait till I get the okie doke from my doctor to go work out, and in the meantime, I'm trying to get my diet back in order so that way I can, you know, be eating healthier and stuff like that, so I can, you know, start losing it quickly, and then once I start working out again, I'll be a-okay. So as far as breastfeeding is going, it's going pretty well. At first it was a little shaky because my nipples were really cracked and they were bleeding, and baby boy was not having that. All he had to do was taste like, and he said, nope, I'm not having that. So with this boob, it was cracked, but it wasn't bleeding, never bled. So he was more attached to this one than that one. But once it started healing and feeling better, he started getting back on here. Even though he was still not a fan of it, he was just like, he still wanted to be on this one. So I did say I wanted to wait to give him a bottle, but because Maddie, she wanted to feed him, and Daddy, you know, wanted to feed him as well, and because of this boob, you know, getting engorged because he wasn't really eating off of it, I had no choice but to start pumping and giving him the bottle. So that's why, you know, with Maddie, we gave her the bottle after a month, but this time I gave it to him immediately because he was not having it on this boob. Now he's eating off of it perfectly fine. I actually did a vlog about this, but I do want to see a lactation consultant just so that way, you know, I can make sure I'm doing this right. I mean, it's been 4 years since I've had a baby. Just want to get a second opinion and just to make sure that, you know, I'm doing it right and everything. But I am making a lot of milk. At first he was getting about an ounce or whatever, but now he's drinking at least 4 ounces. I mean, he's not even 3 weeks old, and I mean, growth spurt on deck, okay? So I'm just trying to keep my supply up. I have the mother's tea as well that's been helping to, you know, to keep my supply up, to make sure that I'm meeting his demand, to make sure that my body is meeting his demand, which is a lot because baby boy loves to eat, okay? My goal is to stick with it for 2 years. With Maddie, I did it for 22 months. I didn't meet that 2-year mark, but I was almost there. But this time I want to try to meet that. So pray for me, guys. Pray for me. He's eating very well. I mean, he's gained weight. He was born 6 pounds 13 ounces. Now he is 7 pounds and 10 ounces. Yeah, he's at his last appointment he was 7 pounds and 10 ounces. So he is gaining weight, y'all. Like, I mean, he'll be 8 pounds before we know it, and that's crazy. So I'm so excited. So we're trying to get into routine and just, you know, a balance with 2 kids and everything, but so far it's going very well. I mean, it's not perfect. He's only 2.5, and you know, I have my moments where I kind of beat myself because it's like, oh my gosh, like I gotta do, you know, I'm trying to do my dishes, then he's hungry. Luckily my husband's been taking Maddie to school and her activities, so that's kind of been giving me a break. But you know, we're just trying to get into routine, and you know, we're getting the hang of it, you know, making sure we're giving our babies equal attention and all that. But other than that, everything's going good. God is good. Our rainbow baby is healthy. He's here. I can't believe it, and I'm just so thankful, you guys. So if you guys want to follow our journey, feel free to go and subscribe to my vlogging channel, but also my blog as well, because I'll be doing a lot of mommy content on there. Subscribe to my vlogging channel and also subscribe to my blog. My link is in my bio and all that. But other than that, that's it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down below. After my postpartum appointment, I'll definitely keep you guys up to date. But like I said, stay tuned for more videos on this channel. Yay! So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Here he is. Hey! Hey, Tristan. Hey. go. So precious. Yep. Can't believe he'll be 3 weeks old on Thursday. Yeah.
Thursday's tomorrow.
Somebody's hungry, so let me go feed them. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Peace.